Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today let us discuss important problems of de Moivres theorem from intermediate second year Third Academy textbook. So uh, on seeing intermediate second year Third Academy textbook, uh, there are few important questions in de Moivres theorem which are asked frequently. Among them, this is the first question which I want to explain. So okay, let us continue with this problem. So first question. Uh, so first question is. So first question is. If n is a integer, then show that 1 plus I power 2n plus 1 minus I power 2n equivalent to 2 power n plus 1 cos n pi by 2. Okay. So this one is looking in the form of a plus ib. So I am multiplying and dividing with square root of a square plus b square. So I am considering here a as 1 and b is also 1 because here I it's just I. That means 1 into I. So that's why it is also 1. So that is equivalent to root 2. Okay. Uh, Now root 2 into 1 by root 2 plus I into 1 by root 2 whole to the power of 2n. In de Moivres theorem, what does de Moivres theorem states means here everything whatever is there we should convert it into cis pi, means cos pi plus sin pi, I sin pi, that is cos theta plus I sin theta, whatever you consider. So that's why this 1 by root 2 I am taking as cos pi by 4 because it's the value of cos pi by 4, and I into 1 by root 2 it is the value of sin pi by 4, and here additionally I is there. So I into sin pi by 4 whole to the power of 2n. Now what I am doing is this root 2 is there, no, this one I am writing as 2 to the power of 1 by 2. We can write root as whole to the power of 1 by 2 of that interior. Okay. Now this 2 and this 2 cancelled, so whatever the remaining is 2 to the power of n. Now I took this 2 to the power of n inside the box. So I got cos 2n pi by 4 plus I sin 2n pi by 4. So 2 gets cancelled and that remains n pi by 2 in both the cases. So I am considering this as first equation. This one I did for 1 plus I to the power of 2n. Same thing you do with uh, 1 minus I to the power of 2n, but whatever the change you get means here wherever the place is there you will get their minus. Okay. So after getting that one you take that one as equation number 2, and on adding the both equations you will get ultimately whatever the result you want. Okay. How means taking common here 2 power, here 2 power n plus 2 power n of cos pi cos n pi by 2 plus I sin n pi by 2 plus 2 to the power of n cos n pi by 2 minus I sin n pi by 2. So you can write this as 2 to the power of n plus 1 cos to the power of n by 2. I took this one common and I cancelled here plus I sin n pi by 2 and here minus I sin n pi by 2. So these both get cancelled, and here I took 2 power n cos n pi by 2 common. Here it remains 2 to the power of n into 2 cos n pi by 2. So it becomes 2 to the power of n plus 1 cos n pi by 2. Okay. And next one, and now coming to this question, if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square minus 2x plus 4 equivalent to 0, then for any n belongs to n, show that alpha power n plus beta power n equivalent to 2 to the power of n plus 1 cos n pi by 3. Okay. Now let us take the given equation. Okay. uh, First let us take the given equation x square minus 2x plus 4 equivalent to 0. So in this equation we will not get roots directly, so we have to use this formula which we used in our 10th class. X equivalent to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now here what is minus b? This is minus 2 is minus b. Minus of minus 2 means that is simply 2, and 2 plus or minus b square, 2 square means 4, that only I wrote. 4 into a means 1, c means 4, so 4 into 4 16 you will get, and 2 into a, what is a1, so 2 into 1, so that one you will get 1 plus or minus I root 3. Okay, why I wrote I root 3 means this one you will get minus we can write it, we can represent it as my I. Okay, now here I am taking alpha as bigger value, that is 1 plus I root 3, and beta I am taking smaller value, that is 1 minus I root 3. Now he given to show us alpha power n plus beta power n equivalent to 2 to the power of n plus 1 cos n pi by 3. So I am adding this. And one more thing is, whatever the question I am explaining now, this question came in 2023. Okay, uh, okay, yeah, I'm adding this both, uh, but before adding, this one is also looking as a plus I root ib, a plus ib format. So here square root of a square plus b square, a square means 1 only, b square means 3, square root of 4 means that is 2 we will get, so multiply and divided by 2. So I'm doing the same in this case. So then you will get here 2 into 1 by 2 I plus I into root 3 by 2 whole to the power of n, plus here I didn't take two steps, I did these two in a single step. In previous case I did once I plus 1 plus I and 1 minus I. In this case I did at a time without any big process. So okay, 1 by 2 means I wrote it as cos pi by 3, and root 3 by 2 means it is sin pi by 3, and in this case also same, just a minus symbol difference. uh, in second case I took this 2 to the power of n this to this side, then I got 2 to the power of n, and I brought to the on the box this n, so cos n pi by 3 plus I sin n pi by 3. So here also the same thing with a minus difference, and I am taking here 2 to the power of n common. Then uh, cos n pi by 3 remains the same, I sin n pi by 3 plus cos n pi by 3 minus I sin n pi by 3. This I sin n pi by 3 and this I sin n pi by 3 both gets cancelled, and it remains 2 to the power of n into 2 cos n pi by 3. So that one we can write it as 2 to the power of n plus 1 cos n pi by 3. So these are two important questions which I taught today, and in first question, um, with a small difference you will get the same model problem. Let me show you. Yeah, it is there in example problem of page number 38. See here, what is this small change? In exercise question it is 2n whole to the power of 2n. Here it is just n, and so that is the difference, and everything is same, the procedure is same. So you have to do the same procedure, you will get the solution. So you try this problem, you will get it very easily. Okay, so these are a few important questions of de Moivre's theorem, and I will continue, like in every part I am gonna explain two questions. So in this chapter there are around 12 questions. So in there will be 6 parts for 7 marks questions, and there are 10 questions likely which are important for 2 marks. So for that also I will explain in the same manner. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, do, share and subscribe my channel.